It's interesting you mentioned interactive because, as you know, interactive it's a whole different animal from non-interactive digital signage. You've got buttons, you've got triggers, more content is required. And I'm just curious if you could talk a little bit more, Mike, about how you, with Gensler Self, because they were so incredibly important with user experience and user interface design. How did you guys start to identify the exact applications, even down to like, hey, let's name this button ABC? Yeah, can you talk a little bit about that process and any words of wisdom for other people considering interactive digital?
Yeah, sure. Words of wisdom, that's a tall order. But so we wanted to put ourselves in the position of our audience members. And as we tried to think through how the interface would look, the way that it would be styled, the way that content would appear, whether photos or text or whatever it would be, we wanted to, number one, walk users through a journey that would help them in a logical, incremental way deepen their knowledge with our nonprofit and lead them down a path of, as they deepen their understanding, they could also understand how they could get plugged in and be involved. And so Gensler was instrumental in terms of kind of building the house, if you will. Think of this whole interactive kiosk experience like a house. So Gensler designed how the house would look, the exterior, and then my team worked very closely to decide, okay, what are we going to fill that house with? What color are the walls going to be? What's the furniture that's going to be in all the different rooms? And why is that furniture going to be there? And what is the purpose of that room? So think of it in that context. And so that's how it was built. And of course, then you guys, Creating Margin, came in and y'all physically did the building. You took everything that we had dreamt up and you actually made it happen. And so to your original question, we wanted our users to, as they experience this content, we wanted them to end up at a place to know how they could fit in. And so we designed everything from that perspective.